teams that were completely screwed over, maybe, in the case of the Cowboys. I mean, Cowboys fans think they were. By the letter of the law, it wasn't a catch, but they'll tell you Dez got that ball every single time. But there was no question that should have been a pass interference in the NFC Championship with the Saints and the Chargers. So, in case you've been under a rock, or you're just tuning in and you've been at work, didn't know, both offensive and defensive pass interference will be reviewable in the 2019 season, this upcoming season. It's not one of those things where they announce it and you've got to wait a year until they implement it, which I always thought was dumb. It's in place. It's coming up this year. They're the first penalties in the history of the league's replay system to be added to the list of approved reviews. And for the first time, coaches will be able to challenge non-calls for pass interference. Now, we all know the natural progression of things is going to be, okay, they reviewed it. It was clear as day that it should have been a pass interference, and these officials still got it wrong. Yep, that's probably going to happen. It'll probably happen this season. But you know what? It wasn't even an option to happen before. So, I think it's a huge deal. The replay booth, in conjunction with the league's officiating office in New York, is going to initiate those challenges, by the way, and they're in the final 2 minutes of each half. And then coaches will still be limited to 2 challenges per game, with the third awarded if they are successful on the first 2. I just think that people need to be appreciating how big this really is. Adam Schefter, by the way, Ross. I don't know if you have it up or not. Adam Schefter was talking about the fact that. Okay, that's why I kind of figured something was going on. So we'll hear from him later. We can do it in the 5 o'clock hour, because I'm going to revisit this. But Adam Schefter was talking about the fact that Sean Payton and Jason Garrett were the guys. Apparently, Jason Garrett got up there, and they had to convince everybody, because the owners have to vote on this. That Jason Garrett gets up there, and I believe the wording of what I read today is very interesting. When he got up there and explained everything to the coaching, or to the NFL owners, I should say, he got a standing ovation. When's the last time Jason Garrett got a standing ovation for anything? But I just